both outside and within her. The lines blurred completely a few days later. Emily had ordered a complicated bookshelf online, and it sat in a box, taunting her. On a whim, she asked Alex if he'd be willing to help her assemble it after his shift, offering to pay him for his time. He just smiled. "How about you just buy dinner?" What started as a task turned into an impromptu evening. They worked together, their laughter filling the apartment as they struggled with the confusing instructions. Afterward, they ordered Thai takeout and sat on the floor, talking for hours about their ambitions, their fears, their pasts. It felt more intimate than any fancy dinner she'd had with James's colleagues. Later, he suggested a walk. The storm had passed, leaving the air clean and the pavement glistening. Under the violet twilight of a nearby park, he took her hand, and this time, it felt intentional, natural. They shared vulnerable stories, secrets whispered into the gentle night air. As they paused by a fountain, the city lights twinkling around them, he turned to face her. His gaze dropped to her lips, and the world seemed to shrink to the few inches between them. She could feel the whisper of his breath, see the question in his eyes. Her heart hammered against her ribs. But just as he leaned in, a wave of guilt crashed over her. She pulled back, her voice a shaky whisper. "I can't." He didn't push, just gave her a soft, understanding smile that somehow made it worse. His touch lingered on her arm, a phantom warmth that stayed with her long after they parted ways. That night, Emily lay awake, her mind a battlefield. Desire and guilt crashed within her, leaving her feeling breathless and torn. She called her best friend back home, whispering her confusion into the phone. "I love James," she cried softly, "but I'm so lonely." The next day, James called. He sounded happy, energized. The deal was going well. He told her he loved her, that he missed her,